What in the world? Wow. Did not expect that. It's your girl Cherie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Natural Beginnings. We are having a clay off today. So I decided to try two different types of clay on my hair at the same time. So in the bowl to the left, you see the Moroccan red clay, and on the bowl, in the bowl on the right, I will be using Indian bentonite clay. This is a different brand from the Aztec brand I usually use, but it looks to be the same, so I figured I'd try it out since they come from the same brand. And I'm going in with about 6 tablespoons in each bowl. I figure that should be enough for each half of my head. Now in the Moroccan red clay, it says it's made up of kaolin, illite, and iron oxides. And then, you know, the bentonite clay is just the same, just bentonite clay as usual. I am adding avocado oil to both of these. Usually I'll do castor oil. I had a little bit of this left, and I'm really enjoying using avocado oil these days, so I decided to go with that. I think I just did about 3 tablespoons until, you know, for each bowl until it was gone. There was no real method to that, just to add it there. I like the way it feels. It gives me more slip when I'm applying the mask to my hair. And I'm just stirring and adding water until it's at a yogurt-like consistency. I've done this before in my aztecclay video, and I'll link that up in the cards. And these both look pretty good, so let's get started. I've got my traditional bentonite clay here, even though it looks kind of lumpy today. I don't know what's going on. It took forever to mix down. I'm using a new brand, and so I'm afraid there may be a little bit of a difference in it. But anyway, we're going to go with that. And we're trying out red clay on one half of my hair. So red clay on one half, and then bentonite clay on the other half. So if you are curious to know the difference between the two clays and see what possible effects or results they will have on the hair if you use them, while I test it on my hair, stay tuned. So for the purpose of this video, I have to wet my hair outside of the shower. And one of my methods for doing this is to take this bowl with a pour spout and dip my hair into it. And that way my hair is fully saturated. I can apply, I can put warm water in it, and it doesn't cool off as quick. You know, we do the warm water for us low porosity girls so it can open up our cuticle, and for mask and treatments to penetrate the hair shaft. And once I got my hair fully saturated, I apply the bentonite clay as usual. You know, you just get as many strands, all strands if at all possible, covered down the lengths of the hair, and kind of detangle slightly and separate while you're doing that. The bowl dipping method really helps me save time with having to spray my hair down in order to saturate it, because honestly, if I try to do that with warm water, it's just not quite as effective. So now I'm dipping the other side, just making sure it's fully saturated. Again, the reason why you want to fully coat your hair is because you're going to put clay in your hair, which is very drying, it's very grainy, and if you did it on dry hair, I don't know if the results would be as effective, and you would also have a really difficult time trying to rinse the clay out of your hair once you were done. And I'm just applying the clay to all of my strands, running it through, coating it per usual, just like I did with the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna let the two sides sit for 15-20 minutes. You know, let them dry. Not dry too hard, but dry with a little bit of heat. And I will rinse out and come back. But so far, yo, this red clay, look, my curls are on 10. What in the world? Wow, did not expect that. And I'm on like a wave over here with the bentonite clay, and over here curls are on 10. Yo. Why have I not tried this sooner? Alright, you guys, I'll be back. See what is going on here. Yeah, so I mean, it's like two totally different types of definition. That's so bizarre. Like, this is more of a wave. And this is just curl poppage. This is waves on swim, and this is curls on 10. Wow. I did not expect that. That's really, really interesting. So, now we do have shrinkage city over here. I don't know. I guess to get adequate curl, the curls shrink to their full potential. And this is a heavier clay, and it elongates it. And I did notice that when I was mixing the clays that I put the same amount. I think I put like 4 teaspoons for each clay in the bowl. And it took me forever to mix bentonite clay up. The bentonite clay was super, super, super thick. And I had to actually scoop a lot of it out in order to get it to the consistency that it was for me to put it on my hair. And 4 tablespoons of the 4 tablespoons of the Moroccan clay just smoothed and mixed down so easily, like there's no issues. I put a little bit more. I think I added maybe 2 tablespoons to it to thicken it up a little bit, and it was fine. I was like really impressed how little you have to use compared to the bentonite clay. So that can also be an advantage to using the red clay. So when I wash this out, I'm going to be testing for softness and manageability. I'll be back. Alright. Fresh out of rinse out. This side's still hanging. Not lower, but this side still more defined. Wow, look at this. Let me see if I get closer. Look how they're like ringlets. Look at that. Wow. This side is like waves because it's pulling the curl down. Interesting. Well, so that was my experiment. I don't know which side I like better. Well, you know, you guys know. I prefer the side where I don't have so much shrinkage. And the bentonite clay clearly does that. But I've never seen definition like this, like coiled hair like this from bentonite clay. Bentonite clay does not do that. Bentonite clay, actually, I think I know what it is. Bentonite clay clumps and weighs down, and the red clay coils. That is crazy, y'all. That's crazy. Okay. Anyway, let me finish my wash day. I hope you enjoyed the clay off. Let me know your thoughts down below. Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer side A with the bentonite clay? Or do you like what was going on side B with this Moroccan red clay mask? I don't know. I don't know what I should be doing going forward now. I'm going to go in with my ACB rinse, do my deep condition, and get ready to style this for another awesome video for you guys tomorrow. And that'll probably be at sometime next week. But I just wanted to come on and share this with you since I was doing this experiment of my own. This is definitely something I'll be adding into my regimen, maybe on and off. Both sides this side feels softer. This side feels more, feels regular after I rinse out. This side definitely feels softer. And the ringlets are just beautiful. I've never seen my hair do that before, just freshly rinsed out the shower. Like that's wild. So maybe a little bit of both back and forth. I'm gonna have to do this again with my whole head with red clay because I'm just kind of blown away right now. But anyway, until next time, you guys live out loud on your truth and let your light shine. This is Cherie saying see you until the next video.